Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. A happy feast day of the most Sacred Heart of Jesus to all of us. It is automatic that when we say Sacred Heart of Jesus, we readily come to think or to see an image of the heart of Jesus with thorns and blood around it. At walang problema naman po doon dahil siya naman iyon at iyon naman talaga ang imahin na alam natin. Kunwari at tulad na lang po ng imahin na mayroon tayo sa atin pong harapan. But it is good to think that this heart is not passive nor just a display. This heart continues to be active in this life. Buhay palagi, kumikilos palagi, umiiral palagi. It is going on, it is working, it is beating. Thus, it is always alive and tireless. It is the feast of the most Sacred Heart. But we've heard the readings that sounds Good Shepherd Sunday. We've been hearing God will continue to seek the lost sheep, will be rejoicing over one sinner who repents after finding that sinner. Dahil talagang paalala ang mga ito na ang puso ni Jesus ay hindi walang kibo. Ang puso ni Jesus buhay na buhay, walang pagod, palaging nakilos at palaging nagmamahal. And my dear brothers and sisters, more than celebrating this feast day, let us remind ourselves how God loves you tirelessly. Magwala man tayo, hahanapin tayo. Bumagsak man tayo, iaahon na tayo. Mabigo man tayo, may panibagong pag-asang darating. Maligaw man, bibigyan ng direksyon. Malungkot man, ibibigay ang kasiyahan sa atin. Matalo man, bibigyan ng pagkakataon para manalo. Such heart was never and is never passive or a mere design. It is tireless. It is working. It is living. It is for us. It fills us also. So much so that whenever we would see the Sacred Heart of Jesus wherever we are, it is as if telling us, my God loves me tirelessly. Walang pagod akong hinanap ng Diyos. Walang pagod akong, walang sawa akong minahal ng Diyos. Walang patid yung presensya ng Diyos sa akin. Walang sawa akong binibiyayaan ng Diyos. His love, His heart, His very person works so well and is alive as well every day. Walang patid kumilos ang pagmamahal ng taong ito sa atin. Magmahal kung magmamahal. Buhay na buhay para maging masaya tayo at pinagpala tayo sa buhay na ito.